we gonna need some scissors to get these elastic bands out. Whoa, that was a workout. All the elastic bands are successfully out. Okay, now we're ready to wash this hair.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will.
So we are gonna blow dry this hair. I use this old school Walls blow dryer. It's the best. It has a pick and it just does the job for my hair.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap, let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you could let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready.
So many reasons why I want you for you, my love. Now you I want to retire with my love. See what you did, good things you do, they make me know.
That is as straight as it's gonna get.
So many reasons why I want you for you.
We're gonna go in with this lock and twist.
Now you I want to retire with my love. See what you did, good things you do, they make me know. Oh no, this distance is taking it all of me for sure. Baby, come closer. I want you make me there closer. Girl, I want making you closer. I feel like making you closer. No, closer. I want you make me there closer. Girl, I want making you closer. I feel like making you closer. So many reasons why I want you for you, my love. Now you I want to retire with my love. See what you did, good things you do, they make me know. Oh no, this distance is taking it all of me for sure. Baby, come closer. I want you make me there closer. Girl, I want making you closer. I feel like making you closer. No, closer. I want you make me there closer. Girl, I want making you closer. I feel like making you closer. So many reasons why I want you for you, my love. Now you I want to retire with my love. See what you did, good things you do, they make me know. Oh no, this distance is taking it all of me for sure. Baby, come closer. I want you make me there closer. Girl, I want making you closer. I feel like making you closer. No, closer. I want you make me there closer. Girl, I want making you closer. I feel like making you closer. So many reasons why I want you for you, my love. Now you I want to retire with my love. See what you did, good things you do, they make me know. Oh no, no. This distance is taking a hold of me.
We're surely getting there, guys. I would say there's 7 more left to go, but that's how the back is looking like so far. I didn't realize these would be so long. Like, I thought they would be like short.
So many reasons why I want to for my love. Now you I want to retire with my love. See what you did, good things you do, they make me know love. Oh no, no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come closer. I want you to make me there. Closer. Girl, I want to make you closer. I feel like making you closer. No, 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 closer. I want you to make me there. Closer. Girl, I want to make you closer. I feel like making you closer.
Can you come take a look at this?
So many reasons why I want to for you, my love. Now you I want to retire with my love. See what you did, good things you do, they make me know love. Oh no, no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come closer. I want you to make me there.
So guys, we've come to the point where we have 4 left. I am going to split these into 2 and that's going to be the dealio. It's going to be done deal. Done deal. Done deal.
Blink come the thing them call a broken heart. This blessed love will never part. You don't know it from the start. Me tell them say I'm dirty yet. A Sean Paul and Sasha.
Being found from me sweat. I can't get your tenderness. Still I can't get you off my mind. What is it about you, baby?
I don't say dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
Well, I'm a hustler and a player, and you know I'm not a stayer. That's a dirty love.
I'm still in love. I'm still in love with you.
2 more to go. Two more to go. 2 more to go. But 2 more. But 2 more to go. But 2 more. 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 2 more to go. Whoa, 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 whoa. 2 more to go. Hey, 2 more to go. Hey, 2 more. I am on my last one. Hooray! Hooray! And it's good because I only had 1 more piece of fluffed out hair. Okay, I'm so happy it's the last one. So happy. I'm so happy. Hold on a sec. Let me open this. You open the little flip like that. Plumps. You stick it into the section. You hook the extension round, little there, little close the hook, pull it through. Oh, cool, blimey. Let's pull that all the way through. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So unhook that. Make sure the hair is relatively even there. Right, I think it's even. Let me give this a little part in here, right in that. Then what I do, I just twist each strand as I'm twisting down. Twist each strand, twist each strand, twist each strand, twist each strand, twist. I mean, you gotta put a little bit elbow grace in it, you know. Twist, 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 twist. Right, put a little bit more gel. These are the final results. So the finishing touches, I usually put mousse on my hair, but I don't really want to because I feel like it makes my hair a little bit wavy, like it makes it revert a little bit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some oil sheen on it so that it shines, you know, shine bright like a diamond. Okay, I'm gonna try this. I bought this a long time ago and I never got it. It's from Lotta Body and it is a coconut and shea oil Illuminate Me Shine Mint. It says it adds brilliant shine, which is what I want. It says it refreshes and moisturizes hair, it softens and tames, so that is good because I don't want my hair to get too dry. And it also smells. And yeah, that is it, guys. Last time it took me 3 hours. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it or if you didn't like it, still give it a like, you know. You've got to do with likes, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos from me. It is a lifestyle vlog, beauty, hair videos, kind of channel. Sometimes I'll be doing my hair, sometimes I'll be cooking, sometimes, or even going shopping. All the things that kind of tie into daily life, like organic content, you know, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next one. Cheers.